What up, guys? How's it going? Happy Tuesday. Thanks for tuning out to our daily vlog. For pretty exciting news today for the Lexus SC300. We're just about done with it, but we're gonna go ahead and install the hood pins to make sure that the hood doesn't fly out when we're at Sacramento Raceway on August 25th. Let's check out the motor. Yeah, it looks beautiful. That's the 2JZ with the JDM motor with the 66 4-runner turbo. We're going to be installing the RPC hood pin to keep that locked down in case the hood doesn't fly up.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Victor, aka Hot Pot. We're out here in the Hot Pot garage. What are we about to do, man?
We're about to install the hood pins right now, so it doesn't come off when we're driving.
I'm going to show you guys the hood pins real quick.
Basically, how it how it locks in. This goes like this. You drill a hole to the front support frame. Put it in like that. Put the tab in on the hood from the top. And this is gonna come out from the bottom, like that. And then to lock it, you just slide it in, clip the hood pin up, and then it'll lock over the top, just like that.
Alright, that's pretty good. So, you think this should hold the hood down?
Yeah, definitely. This should hold the hood down.
How exactly do you measure it?
I use just eyeball it. Use blue tape, eyeball it like this.
Okay.
Yeah. And then after you get it good, cut the blue tape line, lift it up.
How exactly do you determine where to put the hose?
And then just extend the blue tape line across until it touches the support frame. This all comes just with eyeballing. Just make sure that it's straight along with this latch. If you look at this latch right here, you see this clip where it locks in. Just make sure it's straight enough with this side, and then just drill it straight in.
Alright, we're about to drill it right now.
Like that.
Here we go. First, safety first. You guys don't forget. You got some gloves.
Just take this line, drag across,
Okay.
like that. Looks good. Say that.
So we got mechanic area, aka.
Does that look good for you? Looks good enough?
Hard drive. That looks good to me.
Okay, I'll just put in the hole. Put in the hole.
His name is We Can Put It Hard on the Instagram. He does a lot of videos and pictures on the Hot Pot page. So we got both hoses drilled out. Next thing we gotta do is drill the hose for the head.
Just make sure it fits. Sometimes if it doesn't fit, you can expand the hole. So right now it doesn't fit. So what you want to do, you can just grab the bigger one. Right here. Take that out. Replace it with the biggest size. I believe this is a 1/2 inch, so you need a 1/2 inch. There you go. Yeah, originally we tried it with the smaller size to see if we can get it to fit, but it didn't fit. There you go.
Alright guys, so we got the first hood pin in. Show me again real quick. So this is 1/2 inch right here. You guys don't forget we got a car show coming up at RC Really August 19th in the morning, Sunday morning. The rowing is going to be at 8 a.m. and then I'm going to put all the information on the event page on a Facebook group and the Hot Pot Car Club. Perfect. Alright, so we're about to do the hood now.
So next step, you want to make sure that it lines up with the hood. So you go ahead and close it. It's just, if you look on the bottom, right here, look down here. Let me show you, if you follow me down here. Look inside. So you basically want to get this aligned where it's touching the metal piece.
We're gonna put some toothpaste on the top, right here. And then we're gonna put some toothpaste on this one too. The reason for this is so we can measure it on the road to drill for the top of the head once the head pin goes down. So, like so.
So now all you gotta do is close the head. Go ahead, close the head. Is that good? So let me show you. You need at least this much toothpaste to get that exactly marked onto the top. So that way you guys know exactly what to drill. Just gently. Okay. Push down. Now we can lift up. You should leave a mark on top. Perfect. See that? One right there. And one right there.
Now all you gotta do is drill up. Alright, something you may want to do is also drill down after you. The reason for this, tell them why.
So that way you can flush out any metals. If it's really sharp, you don't cut yourself right here. And then you can clean this out. All you gotta do is just put the drill right through here. Nice and clean. And then next you do the other side after you're done.
So something you can do is have one person hold it while someone drills up.
A little bit so.
Alright, so what's going on now?
So the situation right now is that we realize that we put the head pin down only for this side. It's not going straight like that. It comes up, but when we push the head down, it goes back. So to fix that, we're just gonna hit this back up a little bit, and that should fix that. Yeah.
Alright, so William just got this side all completed. And then it kind of looks like this. What's your tip for someone trying to put a screw to a metal head?
Before you drill it, you need something that can cut into metal first. So just drill a smaller hole with one of these metal drill bits. They can actually cut metal. This one is about 1/8, so you need that 1/8 socket, the one you just got me.
Okay. So this is drilling into where the hole is.
And then after it's done, let me show you what it looks like.
Alright, so we just finished the head pins. Alright, William's gonna walk us through on the how-to.
Alright, so to use the head pin, all you gotta do is just drop the head. Oh, maybe listen it. Oh, wait, pause. Oops.
Alright, William, so we're just finishing up. What's going on now?
So after it's done, to use the head pin, just gotta drop the head. It's the line. And then slide the pin in. You can come a little bit closer. Slide it in like that. And then put it up, and it'll just lock in. Just like that. Alright, slide it in like that. Push it up, and it'll snap in. There you go.
That's tight. High five. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that was the Hood Pen episode vlog for the day. You guys don't forget we got a car show coming up August 19th. It's gonna be at the Aussie Willie down the street here. So you guys don't forget, I'm gonna post the location, address, and everything else. So, and I'm gonna open up the pre-registration. Don't forget we got Racewell coming up, and we got about 4 spots left on the booth. Keep it 100.